Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith. Let's give away that belt buckle. So last month was the Royal Welsh and I had planned to give away the belt buckle that I made, but unfortunately I decided to keep that one. But I have made a new belt buckle. This belt buckle is almost identical to the other one except from I made it today as opposed to the other day. It's all finished, it's all been finished, and it will soon have its a new owner. And when I find out who the new owner is, I'll ask you what sort of size belt and what colour you want it, so you can pick all that. But as a little special extra, I have made a little tiny Mjölnir necklace, brooch thing, however you want to hang it. I will get a cord for this to go around your neck, but this will go also out to one of you guys as well for a second draw. But the person whoever wins the belt buckle can't win it again, basically. So that's just a little extra special thing that I didn't say I was going to do, but I will do that for every single giveaway for the Patrons. I'll do a first prize and a second prize. And then as the channel gets bigger and it gets more views, I might do a third as well, but that will come with time. So you can see me make both these items just now. I know I've already done a video for this, hence why there'll be a little bit of the Mjölnir hammer going in there. Quite a fun little thing to make, so hopefully you enjoy that. And I will see you for the prize draw on the other side. really hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys, and with the help of you guys who pledge as patrons, you really do help this channel, from the $3 guys all the way up to $50 guys. Thank you guys so much again. It's really helping. In fact, it's changing the way I think about running the channel and things I'm going to make. I, for a short time, won't be taking on any more big raiding jobs, because they do really affect the amount of content that I can produce. Now, that's not a problem. It's just a decision of the way I want to go forward with the channel. So I'm going to be pushing the Patreon a bit more. It is really, really helping. In fact, we're earning enough money each month to cover the rent currently here, which is amazing. So with a little bit more money and me doing my other job, we should be able to turn this channel into something special, I hope. So let's get on with the draw. So guys, the first draw will be for the buckle, and the second draw will be for a Mjölnir hammer pendant necklace thingy. If you do win the belt buckle, send me a message on the Patreon and let me know what size belt you want and what kind of colour you want it, black or brown or whatever basically. And I'll get that bought and I'll get it all sent out to you. The person who wins the belt buckle can't win the pendant, unfortunately. So what I've got here is a list of all the names of Patrons with numbers down by the side. That corresponds to a number in a bag. Now, if I pull your number out for the second time, I'll just throw it away and we'll get on doing the draw for the second piece. I nearly lost them all then. Right. The first number. The first number is number 8. Number 8 is Richard Miller. Well done, Richard. You have won yourself the belt buckle. Congratulations, dude. Like I said, send me a message with the bits that you want. And the second place goes to number 7. Number 7 is Spencer Pearson. Congratulations, Spencer. You have won the Mjölnir hammer pendant. I will get those out to you as soon as you get a message over to me about the colours, obviously, for the belt buckle. But you guys are the winners. Congratulations, and better luck next time, guys. The next piece I'm going to make, I think I'm going to make an actual working Saxon sort of pocket knife style thing, like the one that I made in the beginners classes. Hopefully that's cool. If you've got any suggestions for things I should make for these little prizes, please let me know. I'm always up for suggestions, so drop them down in the comments. So this is the Blacksmith Bible. It got a lot of interest in the last episode, and I'm really happy to sell this. I will be selling this, so if you want to get it, message me and we will talk about shipping and prices and stuff like that via email. I will be putting this available up on the shop. I just need to sort the shop out. It's a bit of a mess on the website. I'm going to work on that and get that sorted. Now, for the celebration of the 2,000 subscribers, and also for the Blacksmith Challenge as a bit of a giggle, I will be putting up a new extra special Patreon pledge. It will only be available for 1 month, so you can only become that level of Patreon for 1 month. After that, I won't be taking on any more Patreons of that level. So it's a $15 a month pledge. The $15 a month pledge allows you to get this book. So you'll get this book in your welcome pack. You'll also get a key ring. You'll get the same, basically you'll get exactly the same as the $7 rate, except from you will also be able to choose a project from this book for me to make, and I will send the project piece thing that you want me to make to you. Now, there are some rules to that. The item in this book must be able to go in the post and may not be over 2 kilos. So don't go picking some crazy lever thing that was from a steam engine in this book. It ain't happening because they are well heavy. So if it's under 2 kilos and it can go in the post, basically you will be getting your hands on that. Now that is limited to 3 people for 1 month, and it's a $15 pledge. So if you want to get your hands on this book and 1 item from this book which you get to choose, obviously rules apply, you need to head over to my Patreon and go and check out all of the pledge levels. So now, if you want to help and go over and check out the Patreon and help by pledging, it's really supporting me, it's really, really helping. If you like the content, you want to see more of this content, you want to see more of me, you want to help here, you want to get your hands on some crazy stuff that's only for Patreons, early access footage, I do all sorts of stuff like extra posts, you can message me direct through there, all sorts of crazy things. Basically, you get extra Dan, is what you get. You get extra images, you get extra footage, you get early access to some of the videos. And I think at some point in the future, all the videos will be released through the Patreon first, and then they'll go onto the YouTube channel. But whilst we're growing just at the minute, I'm concentrating on both growing at the same level. So go over there, check out the pledges. There's all sorts of different levels over there, and if you can help, it would be absolutely amazing. So please go and check that out. Congrats guys for those that won. Let me know about the Lidico book. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. Well done guys for winning your bits. I will get them out to you as soon as possible. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and go over and check out my Patreon. Remember, if you are subscribed, remember to ring that bell for notifications. It will tell you as soon as the video goes live. It goes up for public consumption. If you do click the bell and then click the video as soon as it comes up, that really helps me, and that really helps the channel grow as well. Chuck your comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. Talk to me about whether you want to hear more about the books, what idea for the next Patreon prize, all sorts of stuff like that. I really enjoy hearing from you. Just chuck random things up there, like how much wood could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? That will be the same for this video. So on that note, I will chuck a video up here to the most recent hammer time, and I will chuck a video down here to some random video. I hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to seeing you in the next episode. See you later guys, bye bye.